Hello my dear students. Today I will discuss about constructor overloading. The topic name is constructor part 2. The next slide is about constructor overloading. What is constructor overloading? The constructor of a class can also be overloaded. That is, a class can have multiple constructors with same name but different signatures. Signature means different parameter list. The process of creating more than one constructor with the same name but with different parameter declarations is called constructor overloading. The next slide is about example of constructor overloading. Public class compute1 start curly braces declaring class int length int width comma height semicolon declaring member variables. Public compute1 start curly braces defining default constructor system.out.println invoking constructor with no parameter. Close the double quotes, parenthesis, semicolon. Length equals to 30, width equals to 20, height equals to 7. Length, width, height. All the member variables are initialized by the values. Close the curly braces, end of default constructor. The next slide contains the next part of the program. Public compute1 within parenthesis int L1 comma int W1 start curly braces defining parameterized constructor with two parameters. System.out.println start parenthesis start double quotes invoking constructor with two parameters. Close the double quotes, parenthesis, semicolon. Length equals to L1, width equals to W1, height equals to 7. Here, L1 and W1 are the formal parameter of the constructor. Close the curly braces. End of parameterized constructor. The next slide contains the next part of the program. Public compute1 within parenthesis int L1 comma int W1 comma int HT1 start curly braces defining parameterized constructor with three parameters. System.out.println start parenthesis start double quotes invoking constructor with three parameters. Close the double quotes, parenthesis, semicolon. Length equals to L1, width equals to W1, height equals to HT1. Close the curly braces, end of parameterized constructor. L1, W1 and HT1 are the formal parameter of the constructor. The next slide contains the next part of the program. Public void calc volume start curly braces. Calc volume is the name of the function. Start curly braces defining impure function. Int volume equals to length asterisk width asterisk height semicolon. System.out.println start parenthesis start double quotes dimensions of the cuboid are. Close the double quotes parenthesis semicolon. System.out.println start parenthesis length equals to close parenthesis plus length. Close the parenthesis semicolon. System.out.println start parenthesis within double quotes width. Close the double quotes plus width. close parenthesis, semicolon. Same way, system.out println start parenthesis, start double quotes, height equals to close the double quotes plus height, close the parenthesis, semicolon. System.out println start parenthesis, start double quotes, volume of the cuboid is colon, close the double quotes plus volume, close the parenthesis, semicolon. System.out println displaying a blank line, close the curly braces, end of function. The next slide contains the next part of the program. Public static void main. Start parenthesis, string args. Arg stands for argument, close parenthesis, start curly braces, defining main function. Compute 1, obj1 equals to new compute 1, parenthesis open, parenthesis closed, creating object with default constructor obj1 dot calc volume, parenthesis open, parenthesis closed, semicolon, invoking function. Compute 1 obj2 equals to new compute 1 within parenthesis 20, 25, close the parenthesis, semicolon, creating object with parameterized constructor as 2 parameter. 20, 25 are the actual parameter of the parameterized constructor. obj2 dot calc volume, parenthesis open, parenthesis closed, semicolon, invoking function. Compute 1 obj3 equals to new compute 1, start parenthesis 30, 34, 12, close parenthesis, semicolon, creating object with parameterized constructor as 3 parameter. obj3 dot calc volume, parenthesis open, parenthesis closed, semicolon, invoking function. End of 2 curly braces. End of main and end of class. obj1, obj2 and obj3 are 3 different objects of same class compute 1 that are created using default constructor and 2 different types of parameterized constructor of same class. The next slide contains the output of the program. Output is invoking constructor with no parameter. Dimensions of the cuboid are colon, length equals to 30, width equals to 20, height equals to 7. Volume of the cuboid is colon 4200. The next slide contains the output of the program. Invoking constructor with 2 parameters. Dimension of the cuboid are colon, length equals to 20, width equals to 25, height equals to 7. Parameter value assigned to the length and width member variables. Volume of the cuboid is colon 3500. Invoking constructor with 3 parameters. Dimension of the cuboid are colon, length equals to 30, width equals to 34, height equals to 12. Parameter value assigned to the length, width and height member variables. Volume of the cuboid is 12,240. Student, in this session I have discussed about constructor overloading. Hope all of you have understand this part of the chapter very well. That's all for now. Thank you.